Hello and welcome to Astronomy Spotlight for January 2024. Happy New Year! My name is Kirk Rosberg. I'm the Planetarium Coordinator here at the Hastings Museum, and we've got two topics to discuss this month for January. The first is a conjunction in the pre-dawn sky of Mercury and Mars, the closest planet to the Sun and the planet next out beyond the Earth. They are going to be visible, weather permitting, from about 6:45 till about 7:10 a.m. when the sun gets to be a little bit too bright and washes out, especially Mars. Let me turn on my labels here. So there they are. You've actually got Venus in the sky as well, sort of an added bonus. Notice Mercury and Mars are going to be low in the east. This time here is about 7 a.m. We're looking right now. Mercury is going to be brighter. Mars will be dimmer and slightly lower. This is on the 25th of January. So now, actually, let me turn off the labels, since you know where they are. And let's go forward one day. This is the 26th. Notice they are getting closer to each other. And one more day, the 27th. Now they are about as close as they can get without touching, or at least appearing to touch in the sky. And of course, Venus is still close by. So you can, as I kind of suggested, you can see these two planets very close together, the 25th, 26th, 27th, and also the 28th. All right, so that is that. All right, our second topic is the brightest stars of the winter sky. Of the top 10 brightest stars overall, and this includes the southern hemisphere sky as well, 5 are visible in the winter skies of Nebraska. Starting with blue-white Sirius. The dog star, there it is, just to the lower, sort of the lower left of Orion, the hunter, which we will come back to very, very shortly. Sirius is the brightest star overall, and it is located in the constellation of Canis Major. Canis Major is the big dog. There it is right there. Most of it anyway. So that is the brightest star. The easiest way to find Sirius is to simply take the belt of Orion that you see there and just extend a line downward towards the horizon a bit. And well, you really can't miss it because it is the brightest star in the entire sky. Number 2 is bright yellow Capella, the brightest star in the pentagon-shaped constellation of Auriga, the Charioteer. Here it is. It is near the top of your screen right there. Capella is distinctly yellow and very easy to pick out. And it's getting higher in the sky as well. In fact, most of the stars on this list show their color very well. But some stars are just white. Capella is in the constellation of Auriga, the chariot driver, the charioteer, and there he is right there. Let me turn on the lines. There it is. It does look, in fact, a lot like a pentagon shape of stars. At number 3 is bright blue Rigel at the foot of Orion. There it is. Actually, Rigel means foot, and it definitely is the foot of our hunter. Let me turn on Orion. And there he is, just like that. Bright blue Rigel. We now move to Orion's small hunting dog, Canis Minor, and the star Procyon, or Procyon. Now, if it looks white to you, it is because it is actually true white in color. It is classified as an F-type star, and F-type stars are, well, they're white. Next, it is back to Orion once again as the number 5 star. Procyon is number 4. The number 5 star is Betelgeuse, the bright red supergiant, the shoulder of Orion, the hunter, and there it is. And yes, Betelgeuse is rather distinctly red in color. It is also the next probable supernova to be visible in the skies of Earth. Betelgeuse is an M-type star, which means it is about as red as you get for a star. The winter star at number 6 is in the constellation of Taurus the Bull, a star which has always looked rather red to me, but it is classified as a K-type star, and that would make it orange red. So orangey red Aldebaran in the V-shaped cluster of stars called the Hyades. Although it itself is not part of the Hyades cluster, it does mark the eye of Taurus the Bull. And there it is. As I said, marking the eye of the bull. The next and last star of winter, I want to point out, at number 7 is Pollux in Gemini, the twins. At the very top of your screen, there it is right there. Pollux is a little bit brighter than its companion Castor, the other twin brother in Gemini, the twins. Pollux is a type K star, making it orange, very much like Arcturus, the brightest orange star of them all, visible in the spring and summer sky. Thanks for joining us. Join us again next month for another edition of Astronomy Spotlight, and thank you for watching.